Assalamu alaikum. This is Javedia Sadiq from Pakistan. I'm working with Turkish Radio and Television Corporation Urdu Service, and I'm columnist at Dunya News. And I really want to say that we are with our brotherly country, Azerbaijan, and I strongly condemn the attack of Armenia on Azerbaijan at the LOC area. And I want to say we are with our brother and sister in this difficult time, and stay strong. और अल्लाह की मदद जो है वो आप लोगों के लिए करीब है. मैं ये कहूँगी कि आप लोग अपना हौसला मत हारें. We are with you. Stay strong, and all prayers are with you for Azerbaijan and for the people of Azerbaijan. Armenian army is right now attacking civilian areas of Azerbaijan, especially at the area of LOC. I really condemn this. This is against the international law, and I must request to the international community and UN to intervene in this issue. That in the time of pandemic and corona, this is a very strange thing that the Armenian country attacked the Azerbaijan. So I must say this war must be end now, and I need to say the peace is the only solution.